24 families are filing lawsuits over the massacre at Stoneman Douglas High School.
They say they're not getting the help they need, and they even allege the Broward School District is working against them in Tallahassee. CBS 4's Carrie Codd is working this story live from Fort Lauderdale. Carrie.
The lawsuits are filed on behalf of victims and survivors, and as you mentioned, a number of them involve the Broward County School District. An attorney that I spoke with today who recently filed a couple of lawsuits in this case told me he believes these endless lawsuits could largely be avoided if legislators in Tallahassee could create a victims' compensation fund to pay for the ongoing pain and suffering of the victims and survivors. Attorney Jay Cohen is representing two students who were in the building on February 14, 2018, one of whom narrowly escaped death and watched teacher Scott Beagle die as she ran to his classroom for safety.
Is able to, at the last moment, get into a classroom that a teacher was able to open the door and grant her safety and access, and she did. And right as that happened, unfortunately and sadly, that person was shot and killed right in front of her, right over her.
Cohen said that young woman is suffering.
Therapy is critical. Therapy is important with respect to all of these surviving victims.
He believes a victims' compensation fund established by the Florida legislature would eliminate the need for many of the lawsuits and give the victims and survivors access to funds for therapy and other needs.
This tragedy should be resolved, I think, in a political forum as opposed to a courthouse.
Live in Fort Lauderdale, Carrie Codd, CBS 4 News.